Hi everyone. Today I'm really excited to bring you this video because beauty is one of my passions along with fitness and nutrition. So today we're going to be talking about Gua Sha. What is Gua Sha? Gua Sha is a 4,000-year-old Chinese tradition of beauty. And maybe you've heard of it, maybe you haven't, but it is amazing. It's amazing for the skin, and I'm going to tell you the benefits of it, why we're going to do it, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So this is it's a Gua Sha stone. It's a jade Gua Sha stone, and they come in different stones. There's rose quartz. There's all sorts of different ones, but the one I have today is jade, and you can see it's almost a heart shape. Let me bring it up there for you. Can you see that? Yeah, it's really beautiful. It's made out of the jade stone, and the jade stone is known for its balancing properties. Whoops, there goes my notes. It's cooling properties. You can put it to your skin immediately. You're going to feel that cool sensation. It's known as the stone of eternal youth. Now, who doesn't want eternal youth? It's great for relieving your jaw tension. We all hold tension here in our jaw and our forehead. I know personally, I hold a lot of tension in my jaw. And it's great for relaxing the facial muscles, bringing oxygen and blood flow to the skin and to hydrate the tissues. It is a wonderful, wonderful tool, and I know you're absolutely going to love it. Now you see, it has different edges because you can use it on different parts of your face. Whoa, and it's amazing. Okay, so again, this one is Beauty by Earth. Like I said, there are many different ones. But what you're going to want to do is start with a clean face, and then you're going to pick either your favorite facial oil or a very rich lotion because you want the stone to slide and glide across your face. So I just have two here. This is a jojoba oil, and this is from Cora Organics. It was a little sample of an oil, so you could use something like that. And these two are more heavy facial creams. This is a night cream that I love by Beautiful on Raw, and this is Pacifica. It's a gem infused face lotion. So you can pick any of those. Today I think we'll do this one. I'm gonna take a little bit. I didn't wash my face, but I have makeup on my face, but that's okay. What you're gonna do is on your clean skin, just dab it kind of a little bit everywhere. Right? Put it in the hands. And we're gonna take that stone. I'm gonna show you, you're gonna take the nice long flat edge and just gently, you always wanna go up. You wanna lift the skin up. And you're going to feel a nice, cool sensation on the skin. Your skin will get a little bit red, and you're working your skin just like you do on your muscles. You want to exercise your skin. It helps so much to give us that youthful glow, have hydrated skin. So here I like to take it right under, like from the corner of my nose, around my cheekbone, and up to my jaw, right there. And also you can take it when you're right here, just wiggle it back and forth, open and close the jaw. It will help to loosen any tight muscles. That's one place I like to do that. Now here, you see how this is a little bit, looks like a little heart. So the center of the heart. I like to take it and go right across my jawbone. It fits in there beautifully. And we just help to move the fascia that's under there. Sometimes it gets loose. This will help to tighten up your skin. bring more nutrients and blood flow. So you can do that there. I like to take maybe like a little rounded corner very gently, always gently by your eye, like right on the rim of the eye socket, not too close to the eye because that skin is so delicate and tender. Just feels nice. You can come here. You can do a little bit up where we all have those little crow's feet, right? So beautiful. Here we are here. Now we can take it right here. They call them, I don't know, the squinting bunny rabbit lines. You can go right here. It's going to help reduce the tension in the face. It feels amazing, and it's such a beautiful thing to do for yourself. It helps when you're looking in the mirror also. Now here, we can go up the forehead, right? You don't want all those tension lines. You can go across the forehead, either way. Now another one I like to do, again, very gently, because your eyes are so delicate, but right under this brow bone, I take the rounded edge and I just go here. It's like a natural eyebrow lift. Feels really good too, right? It's beautiful. Okay, and you're gonna do, you can spend like, a minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you can fit into your schedule. But I'm telling you, once you start doing this, you are going to love it. So we can also do right here over the lip, always out and away. Right, back and forth. Now another thing I like to do is here on the neck and the décolleté. I'm going to put a little more lotion on. I didn't really put a lot on, so I want to show you this. Let's see. We're going to take the big part, and on your neck you can go up and down, back and forth, back and forth. Gently, you don't want to push too hard, but you can really feel the Gua Sha stone moving. Feel the energy. It's going to be more energy to your face, to your neck, and just go up and down. If you have a tight spot here on your shoulder, you can go right into it. It's great for some fascia release. I like to go along my jawline here again. We did this before. Sometimes I go just gently here. And then you can take it to your chest. I want to make sure the microphone's out of the way. And just go across the chest. Gently, gently, gently. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. You can, maybe you can see the skin is getting a little bit red. That's okay. The red is good. You don't want to push too hard. You don't want to have bruising. But this is bringing blood flow, oxygen, nutrients to that skin. It's so, so, so important. Now, a couple other things you can do with the Gua Sha stone. You can put lotion, oil on your hands, and you can use it here. A lot of us, we hold that tension in our hands. We're typing, have the mouse, carpal tunnel. This is great. You can get into all the little grooves of the hand and loosen up the fascia, break up any calcifications that might be in there. And again, it's always gentle, but look how beautiful this fits right here. Your hand, right here on the thumb. Gently, you can even do the top of your hand. This I love doing. Sometimes I just sit there while I'm watching TV with my husband. He knows all my beauty tricks. And it just feels really, really good. Couple more things. You could do it on your foot, but you really want to keep it on your face and maybe your hand. Another thing you can do with oil, you can do the back of your triceps and your arm to get more blood flow going. That's a great one too, anywhere on the arm. Gonna work the whole skin. It's a beautiful, beautiful treatment. I know you're going to love the Gua Sha stone. Let me see if I have anything else I wanted to tell you. I think that's it for the Gua Sha stone for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I hope you enjoy that. I hope you will bring this beautiful ritual into your beauty routine. There are so many things that we can do for the skin, for glowing skin. It's about the food we eat, the feelings we feel, that mind-muscle connection, and giving ourselves the gift of self-love. And look at this, it's the shape of a heart. That is self-love. And it's beautiful to hold. So thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.